Yes, you can change the color of your app icons in your iPhone, and it's pretty easy to do. Press and hold any blank space on your home screen. You can see the icons begin to jitter. If you look up in this top left corner, you see an edit button. Tap on that, and then you have this menu pop up: add widget, customize, edit wallpaper, edit pages. Tap on customize and come down here. You can now change the look of your icons. The default is this, and that's what you're looking at. If you select dark, a black background is applied to each of the icons. If you observe, they have a white background here, and now they have a dark background here. If you select clear, now this gives you a grayscale kind of feel to your apps. And then tinted. So with tinted, the difference is that you can now select whatever color you want the icons to lean towards to. Right now, this is a reddish hue, and then you can go purple, blue, approaching green, and orange. And then this is a pure red. This is more pinkish, right? So this is a pure red. And you can also determine how deep the color is. So if you want to do the grayscale like thing, this is where you come. And then you can also determine the size of the app icons. You need the icons bigger. This is a great option to use. Of course, when you go bigger, the captions are gone. The name on each app disappears. And when you come down to the smaller size, the names show up again. You can make it brighter, dump it down a bit, make it brighter, dump it down a bit. And that applies to all these other options as well. Of course, you can also still change your wallpaper. Remember, the option to change wallpaper is here. Gradient, color. So you can pick a dark color, that's black. And now, this is what your iPhone's home screen looks like. Totally grayscale. So this is how to change the colors of your app icons on your iPhone. There is no option present that I have seen that allows you to change the icons themselves, just the colors. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching this video. I hope it has been helpful. Do like it, do share it. Follow my channel. I look forward to seeing you here again when I publish another video.